In this video, I'm going to run through how to use Oracle Database Connector to connect to Oracle Autonomous Data Warehouse, also referred to as ADW. First, you will need to download the Client Credential Wallet from the ADW database. You can refer to Oracle's documentations for instructions on this. Next, you should unzip the wallet zip file in a location of your choice. Make note of the full file path for that location so that you can reference it later. Third, you should deploy the displayed jars to your environment with connector type Oracle Database. Fourth, add a displayed property in Atom Management. You can do this by selecting the custom properties for your Atom and adding the line as a system property. Fifth, fill in the connection properties to match the image displayed. The URL will use the database service name as present in your tns.oras file. In this case, it's autonomousdb_hi. Use the username and password for the user that you want to access the database with. You will also want to add a connection property with a displayed key oracle.net.tns_admin. The value for this will be the path to the location where you unzipped the wallet files earlier. And finally, give the connection a test run and you should be finished. And that's all you have to do to use the Oracle Database Connector to connect to Oracle Autonomous Data Warehouse.